Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn more about all-in-one WP migration. This is a plugin that helps you to export and import your WordPress site. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to use this plugin, or if you've just heard of this plugin and you want to learn more about it, stick to this video. Watch it to the end as I share with you the step-by-step guide on how to use this plugin. Before we get started into the tutorials, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. Smash the like button, give me the thumbs up, it means a whole lot to me. If you have any questions, feedback or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. I do well to respond to all comments on this channel. My main purpose is to help you become a better user on WordPress. So just leave all your suggestions and comments below and I'll respond to you. Today's video is about all-in-one WP migration. But have you asked yourself which hosting platform will make everything easier for you? Let me recommend to you Bluehost. WP Tools Guide, that is the site we are using for our tutorial purposes, was built on Bluehost. Bluehost gives you fast loading websites, give you free SSL, and your website is also hosted on SSD drives. So guys, check out Bluehost. It is the hosting platform I use, and it is the hosting platform I recommend. Click on the link below this video. It will take you to the home page of Bluehost, as you can see from here, and the packages I recommend are Plus and Choice Plus. Just select one of these two. You can go for Plus. That is what I highly recommend, this Plus option. Just select this, grab your hosting package from Bluehost, and you will never regret. Now let's get back into the tutorials for today's video, and that is how to use the all-in-one WP migration. So the first step is to install this plugin on our website or on our WordPress blog. So I'll come inside the dashboard here, hover on plugins and click on add new, and I'll search and I'll paste what we copied here. So this is the plugin. Let's just click install now. Installation has finished successfully. Let's click on activate. So we have activated our plugin. Let's go into it. We are trying to export. We have these three options: export, import, and backups. Export is exporting the whole website onto your local machine. Import is importing your backup into your site. And we have backups. Backups are already existing exported files. Backups are already existing files like we have here. So the first step we have to do is to come here to export. This plugin is very easy to use. Just follow the tutorials and you'll be good to go. So once you are here, let's click on the advanced option. So you have a blog. Okay, before we continue this, let me show you our site WP Tools Guide. This is how it's looking like. We created this sample demo using newspaper theme. I also have the link to newspaper below this video. You can check it out. That is the plugin we use, and we imported their sample demo. So this is how our WordPress blog is looking like. It's going to be different from yours, or it's going to be different from how yours is looking like, but this is how our blog is looking like. So this is the backup we are going to create. So once we are here, we can decide not to export spam comments. We can decide not to export post revisions. So you can go through this list and you can exclude some of these options. I want to exclude spam content here. So do not export. I have ticked it. Once you are okay, click on export to. We are saving it on our local machine. So I'll select file here. And it's preparing to export. So let's wait for it to finish. Then we will download our export file. So our export has finished successfully. I will just click here to download it. Let's download it here. Download blocked. Why? Let's continue. Allow. Yes. Oh, done. So let's try it again. Yes. And let's download our file. Our file is right here downloading. So now let me close this. Now, if you want to import, click here. Click on the import settings here. And drag and drop your exported file. We already have one file here. So we have this one here. We can drag and drop it here to import it, just like this. But there's no need for this, so I'm going to stop the importing. But this is how you import your backup file. So let's just stop importing right here. Let's stop importing. Okay, so we've been able to stop the importing. We are currently inside the backups here. So here are various backups that we can export and we can import. So this is how easy it is to use all-in-one WP migration plugin. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and click on the like button. Smash that thumbs up there. It means a whole lot to me. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and leave all your questions inside the notification. Leave all your questions inside the comment box below. Before I take leave of you, let me remind you that I have prepared some resources for all WordPress users in the video description box. So check the description box below this video for the resources I'm talking about. They are meant to help you become a better WordPress user. So until I come your way with another awesome video, it's bye bye from WP Blogger.